Any factual allegations outside the charged incidents, in this case masses of generically alleged extrajudicial killings, must be proved to the required standard. And for this, NGO reports, academic statistics, and media articles are, as a rule, considered insufficient. Ms. Croft also screened images taken from the Duterte administration's PDEA report for the years 2016 to 2019, if we can pull that up now, which cite figures of the number of deaths of drug personalities in anti-drug operations without proving that they were illegally murdered. But she neglected to contextualize these numbers by reference to other parts of the same report, which show that in comparison to the number of arrests and operations conducted, the number of deaths are minimal. Please, if you will, show a bar chart that we have helpfully prepared with the figures and a pie chart with the percentages. So, if I may just conclude, the only thing that is widespread here, or rather spread wide, is the utility of the prosecution's statistics.